DIY waterfalls made with household items. You need 3 pieces of gutter guards, 6 plastic bottles, a couple black zip ties, a sharpie, a pair of scissors, 4 cans of foam spray, and a gray spray paint. First off, the gutter guards are very flexible for your desired size. Use the plastic zip ties to secure all the 3 gutter guards together. Arrange the water bottles to create multiple tiers, with the top of the opening facing the middle part of the bottles. Using a sharpie, mark the spot where you will cut the opening for the water to drop. The opening could be between 3 to 2 inches wide. You can use a clear packing tape to secure the bottles on the gutter guards. Now, this is the fun part. You can use the foam spray to permanently secure the water bottles into the gutter guards. For safety measures, please wear a plastic glove, or you can also wrap your hands with plastic bags. The foam is very sticky and hard to clean. To make your life easier after the foam is hardened, you can also mark the opening where the hose will be installed. Make sure you spray on top and on the bottom of the bottle without covering the holes and the opening for the water to flow. It will take between 30 minutes up to 2 hours for the foam to completely harden. Once it's done, you can flip the gutter guards to spray more foam on some of the parts that could be a potential leak. There will be drippings from the water hose and the back of these waterfalls. However, if your goal is to increase humidity in your greenhouse, you will appreciate it later. Once both sides are completely hardened, you can inspect the location where the water bottles were installed. This time you can use a knife to carve the spots and use your fingers to pull the remaining of the foam out from the waterfall. The white foam is normally hardened and expanded after a couple hours. You can also use some bamboo skewers or sticks to mark the opening of the waterfall tiers so it will be easier for you to search and carve the foam. You can also take a before and after pictures of the location of the water bottles so you will remember how to carve them. The next step is to spray paint the white foam with a gray color. Please keep in mind there are also many different colors of foam spray out there. However, the white color is much more affordable. This is my personal preference. I like to put black paint on some of the edges of the rock to create a contour and also to make the openings of the waterfalls to stand out. I also like to decorate the rocks using some strong glue or liquid nails and paste some colored and dry moss. To protect the paint and the dried moss, I like to use a clear spray as a sealant on the rocks. Once the clear spray is dried, I will paste some bright and colorful plastic aquarium plant on the waterfalls. Here's the final results. I like to present you my DIY waterfalls. I also added a mini fogger to create an illusion of a misty river. The water flows from a 30-gallon fish tank using a 200 GPH water pump. The purpose of these waterfalls is to increase humidity in my large greenhouse. I was able to raise it up to 85%. If you enjoyed these DIY waterfalls, please like and subscribe to my channels and leave your comments down below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.